Hello. So we've been talking about probability and sample space and outcomes and events and how probability is any number from 0 to 1. So I'm going to read this paragraph for you. And then we're going to discuss a little bit more the importance of sample space and this new concept that we're going to learn today. So it says, suppose a girl attends a preschool where the students are studying primary colors. To help teach calendar skills, the teacher has each student maintain a calendar in his cubby. For each of the 4 days that the students are covering primary colors in class, students get to place a colored dot on their calendars, blue, yellow, or red. When the 4 days of the school week have passed, Monday through Thursday, what might the young girl's calendar look like? One outcome would be 4 blue dots if the student chose blue each day. But consider that the first day, Monday, could be blue, and the next day, Tuesday, could be yellow, and Wednesday could be blue, and Thursday could be red. Or maybe Monday and Tuesday could be yellow, Wednesday could be blue, and Thursday could be red. Or maybe Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday could be blue, and Thursday could be red, and so on and so forth. As hard to follow as this seems now, we have only mentioned 3 of the 81 possible outcomes in terms of the 4 days of colors. Listing the other 78 outcomes would take several pages. Rather than listing outcomes in the manner described above, particularly when the situation has multiple stages, such as the multiple days in the case above, we often use a tree diagram to display all possible outcomes visually. Additionally, when the outcomes of each stage are the result of a chance experiment, tree diagrams are helpful for computing probabilities. So, what this is saying is that it can take forever to list out all the possible outcomes in this scenario and in other scenarios. So it could take pages and pages and pages to list out all the possible outcomes with the different colors and the different dots. Even though there's only 3 options, there's so many different possibilities. So we think about this scenario here, and we think about sample space. Remembering that sample space is all the possible outcomes. So here, all the possible outcomes are the colored dots, which is blue, yellow, or red. There's 3 possible outcomes because there's 3 colors. You are going to be introduced to a tree diagram, which looks something like this. And I will explain what this means in a moment. But you are going to use sample space. So it's really, really important that we get sample space down. You're going to use sample space in order to create a tree diagram. And later on, you are going to be able to not